What's up guys, this is AW Cuber, and today I'm going to be sewing the 3x3 with these gloves on. Alrighty, let's put these gloves on. Now this stack mat is not gonna work like this, so I'm just gonna use my elbows for this, just so you know. Alright, I am ready. Yeah, this is not gonna be easy. I think I'm gonna go for red, or no, yeah, I'm gonna go for yellow. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1, let's go. The yellow cross was pretty easy, so. Alright, that's the cross done. Now F2L is gonna be, oh, see the thing is, since these things are pretty big, like the thumbs and stuff, they're touching each other. And that makes it pretty hard to like turn the cube. By the way guys, this might be a new series, solving cubes with different things on my hands, like gloves or different things. So leave a like if you would like me to do that, and I will definitely start that, because as you guys know, this is a channel where I also do challenges, cubing challenges, so if you think that could be interesting, let me know. Alright, that is F2L done. Now I can definitely not do finger tricks on this thing. The cube is way too small for the gloves, which are pretty big. See, I'm just thinking, if I get a very long, like PLL algorithm that I am not used to doing slowly, that could mess me up. But thankfully, that's not what I got. Alrighty, that was 2 minutes and 1 second with these gloves on. Yeah, I guess that's it for today then, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you would like, go ahead and try this too with some big gloves on and tell me what you got. Let's see if we can beat my 2 minutes. Yeah, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Anyways, that's it. Thank you and bye.